Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. U.S. real estate market crisis, 4.3 million mortgage delinquencies, commercial properties fall. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Stock market crashes, virus panic, social unrest, explosive unemployment, plunging GDP. The U.S. economy continues to look bleak as consumers and small businesses struggle to keep up with changing guidelines related to COVID-19. In just 13 weeks, more than 45 million Americans filed for unemployment benefits. Meanwhile, 4.3 million Americans are unable to pay their mortgages. While precious metals like gold and silver have done well, and crypto assets like Bitcoin have held decently, real estate and property statistics have tumbled. Corona panic and virus hysteria have ravaged the U.S. economy by inducing a number of lockdown rules, shutting down businesses of all kinds, especially small businesses. The current unemployment rate is on par with the Great Depression, as 45.7 million are out of work. The loss of income has placed the U.S. real estate industry in jeopardy, as residential home sales and commercial property values have plummeted. Barry Sternlicht from Starwood Capital explains that the virus, along with social unrest, leads him to predict that office buildings shall lose 40% of their value, with rents dropping to be extremely low, and a third of hotels going bankrupt in New York City. The National Association of Realtors explained that existing home sales occurred at a seasonally adjusted annual pace of 3.91 million, which is the lowest in over a decade. Sales that stem from pre-owned houses dipped in 9.7% in May. The LA Loft blog has reported that the average home is down by $48,500 in the downtown Los Angeles area. Some real estate professionals expect that the reopening economy shall allow for rapid growth. But their projections do not account for repercussions to social unrest, continuing virus hysteria, historic stock market volatility, historic job loss, and the historic drop in GDP. Find out how much the home down the street sold for, fill out the short online form, and receive a detailed listing of all recent home sales and all active listings in your area or another area. Just fill out the short form, and it's free. Down here is the neighborhood in Waldport, Oregon, which is an example of amazing locations for nationwide rental income homes for those who maybe would like to buy something for closer to $100,000 instead of $600,000. So we suggest maybe placing a backup offer on this $139,000 asking price, potentially with just 3% down if you might want to live there. But otherwise it could make a good rental income property. As more home buyers and investors stop looking in big cities in favor of suburbs, the readers of the LA Loft blog have shown more interest in lower priced investments and more spread out digs. So that one in Waldport is at 1708 Northwest Westward Street, Waldport, Oregon. It's near the beach in Bayshore. This home is a short walk to the clubhouse, pool, and beach access, so while it needs some attention, the effort would be worth it for this location. There's a big yard with room for great garden and upper floor deck with a bit of ocean view, too. This could be a good opportunity to get that place at the beach. The property was built prior to 1978, and has lead-based paint, potentially. This property may qualify for seller financing, Vendy financing. Get a free list of the best investment properties nationwide under $100,000 by filling out the short form and receive a list of properties, a free report on getting a high cash-on-cash return from America's best turnkey investment rental income properties in the U.S., starting at $49,000 for rental income properties. Just fill out the short form here for those rental income properties, and here's that neighborhood for that $139,000 beach home that I told you about. Thanks for taking a look and listen as we discuss the U.S. real estate market crisis. My name is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for listening in. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. Call 213-880-9910. Thanks again for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.